What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Just Stang, man. Oh, I'm back with another video. I tried to clean my car, but I need to get the, can y'all see it? Yeah, the bug spray. Look from the distance. That look good. I guess you can call it a 10-foot. I did put a little wax on it. As you can see, it ain't do nothing. I just got a hand, all I gotta do is hand wash it. Now I just stir it. Well, I did order 5% tint. It's coming August the 26th or something like that. I gotta get some leather, restore. But I'm not using my police radar anymore. If anybody wants it, y'all can have it for a giveaway. Not a giveaway, just DM me on IG. You can have it, bro. I'll send it to you. But that's the 5-bone riding to the track with today. Yeah, we got, that's the one that shoots flames. Right now, we up here in Marlboro. It is advanced. Hey, check the shoe game out. How they look? First time wearing them, I had them for like a month. I'm gonna get back with y'all once he get off work, man. We got him. Finna cut out today. Peace. Well, as y'all can see, it counts as a race. So, we get on wide. They got the demon eyes on. We're getting on wide. We're about to go to Mexico, whatever y'all want to call it. We ain't finna do no running, no pulling, no nothing. We finna go meet up with some guys with some, they just got some 10 speeds. And they got some big plans with their cars, bro. I ain't gonna count to you, bro. But we going, them boy, they run for real. Them boy got them. I'm gonna show y'all when we get there, bro. It's gonna be lit, you feel me? But while y'all at it, man, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy, Just Stang, you feel me? Let me get back with y'all, probably on the highway. Peace. Deep as hell out here, boy. Oh. Got the RT. Oh. I'm blocking license plate, cuz. Oh, yeah, it's the SRT. ZL1. It's a Camaro squad, and this is the Mustangs. 10 speeds. Blower. You can see it right here too. Oh, y'all got it?
You say it'll run.
This one right here.
Oh.
I remember them days. Yeah. You do YouTube, bro?
Oh, let's say LOL.
Yeah. Oh. 5-volt. Must be nice to have a V8. 01. Oh. Follow him so I can see it. On the top. Oh. Payments, give me a head up break with the rest of 500. Huh? Give me a head up break with the rest of 500. Where you at? Oh, yeah, I ran him. The first one I won. Yeah. I mean, he got me on top end. He got me on top end, so. Yeah, he supposed to have me on top. I mean, I got a PC.
Cummins look good as hell, bro.
Payments policies wheels. Ooh. Roll performance. When they explain to me about your car?
Ain't nothing done to my car, bro.
Can you tell me about it?
Ain't nothing. It's just sit down.
Make sure you edit all that out.
All right, bro. Not to edit.
All I know is it's a 9550. Goddamn stock gear, stock everything. Got cold air intake.
I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
You know,
Okay.
short throw shifter by SR.
My viewers don't race. So look, we're gonna have to be honest. That stock part, you gotta cut that out.
Bro.
But that car shouldn't keep up with this. So what you gotta do to your car, baby? It got roller performance on the side.
Yeah, but that's a damn secret, bro. Dusty Roller himself told me to don't tell anyone, bro. Damn secret, bro.
If you say so. If you say so. Yeah, we out here. Oh. I'm gonna get back with y'all if we go racing tonight. Okay. Yeah, you know who I'm going with. Got to go with the Mustangs. Tap the gas.
Oh shit. Oh shoot. Dre. Yes, Dre. Oh.